morning on this sunny Monday. I just wanted to remind everyone that there's going to be a meeting at 9 a.m. I am just going to give you a brief overview of the week. So for math, there was a little problem. For some reason, this ordered pairs hit 5-1. I must have scheduled it wrong, and some of you tried to complete it and didn't do it correctly. I'm going to schedule it this Friday, and I will put a video on how to complete it. So if you did it already, there were 3 people in 5-1. I returned it to you, and you're going to have to redo it. Otherwise, you have this is going to hit. It's called Problem to Ponder. It's the shrimp boil. So do your work carefully, and it'll grade itself, and you can see how to solve the problem. Each question will give you what the correct answer is. So if you got it wrong, you could use that answer to do the next problem. So there's 4 of them. So keep working hard. Tomorrow we're going to start line plots, using line plots. See, scheduled for tomorrow. And then more practice. So our extra help will be tomorrow using line plots. So I hope that you join, and I hope to see you a little later. What else do we have today? Let's see. Let's go to our classrooms. We have, give me a second. What's going on here? We have social studies. You have a hyperdocs, and that is going to be on the Bill of Rights. It's an introduction, so you're going to do this hyperdocs. You're going to go into formative and just answer a couple questions. So I'll show you that in a minute. Now notice, this time I have it correct. The username is St. Pat's Home, and the password is Flick. So you're going to just read a couple things, and then you're going to do a flip grid on, do you think the Constitution needed a Bill of Rights? And this will take you right to it. Okay, you go right there, and remember how to do it. You put the answer, you sign with Google. I'm doing that right now. Okay. And you're going to answer here just with this big plus sign. So I will put the first one in as soon as I'm done with this. But I also want to show you this formative. So you're going to be graded on both the formative and the flip grid. So do a good job. Think about what you want to say. This is my little preview as a student. So preview as a student. Give me a second. So you're going to, what do you know about the Bill of Rights? You have to answer that. You're going to listen to this and then answer the question here, true or false. Then what do you think the Constitution, here we go, much better view. I don't know what I did over there. So you're going to preview as a student. You're going to answer right here, what do you know about the Bill of Rights? Some delegates of the Constitution could not sign the Constitution, true or false. And then you're going to answer these other questions. I'm grading you on that, as well as what you write, what you answer in your flip grid. So do a good job. Your thoughts and your presentation. What else do we have today? We have, and this is going to hit a little later because I want to put a video in it, but for 5-2 religion, you're going to be doing a let's see it. Here it is. It is Feast and Holidays, and you're going to do a Bunsey on Mary. And I just want to let you know that I'm going to record something to teach you how to do it. This is the directions, okay? This is the directions, and this is your login. Okay, so there will be a video on there on how to complete it. Okay, so see you at 9 a.m.